Hello, dear viewers. This is Dr. Mohammad Aminul Islam. Welcome to Aminulchem Innovation. In this video, I would like to show you how to calculate regeneration capacity using Excel sheet very easily. So, in order to do this, here is the experimental conditions. For example, in batch experimental conditions, I took eight sample where it's containing mass 20 mg, volume 50 milliliter, initial concentration of methylene blue 10 ppm, and shaker speed is 170 rpm, and shaking time 24 hours. So here is the data for 10 ppm and biosar manganese dioxide loaded methylene blue. So for zero cycle, uh, absorbance of 10 ppm methylene blue is this for 8 sample same, and absorbance of each sample. For example, sample 1 is this, sample 2 is this, sample 3 is this, and up to sample 8. So then you need to calculate percent removal just equal to C43. That means absorbance of 10 ppm minus C44, absorbance of sample, divided by C43, absorbance of sample into 100. So if you click on enter, then you get the percent removal for first sample. Similarly, if you scroll this to right, you get percent removal for 8 sample. So this is how you can calculate percent removal for zero cycle, and here is the values for zero cycle: 8 sample, 8 values. Then you need to recollect these materials and need to wash with eluent. Then you need to again do another experiment. For example, I got 5 sample. So similarly, absorbance of 10 ppm is this, and absorbance of this. So then you can calculate percent removal using absorbance of standard minus absorbance of sample divided by absorbance of standard into 100. So you can calculate the percent removal for one sample. Similarly, if you scroll to right, then you can calculate percent removal for other. Similarly, this is for first cycle, this is for second cycle, third cycle. So these are the values for zero cycle, first cycle, second cycle, third cycle. So if you wish, you can take average to get one value, and you can also take average to get one value, and you can also take average for one value. Then you can plot cycle number versus percent removal. So this is how you can easily calculate regeneration capacity using Excel sheet. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, please do leave your comment in the comment box. Please do visit Aminulchem Innovation. Thanks for watching.